Hi! Welcome to entry 31 of our SOLIDWORKS video tutorial series. Today, we'll explore three essential types of feature combination which are add, subtract, and common volumes. So let's dive in and discover how to combine features like a pro. To begin, sketch on the top plane. Make a circle from the origin with a dimension of 1 inch. Use extruded boss. Make a sketch on top. Add a broken line from the origin to its edge. Make another circle from the midpoint of the broken line with the same dimension. Use extruded boss again, but this time you have to change the direction downward. Change the blind into up to surface. Click the bottom face and unclick the merge result. Click the arrow beside the home icon. Click insert and then the features to find the combine. For add, you have those two features to turn them into one. As for the subtract, there are two columns you have to fill in, where the green one will be your main body, while the blue one will be the body that you want to delete. For instance, finally, the comment only emphasizes what volume that those features have in common. Well, let me elaborate it for you by clicking those two features and show preview. By the way, take note that you only can use combine when the two features are attached to one another. That's all.